Hi, this is Jeline from the Honors Tutorial. Our topic for today is about geometric series for Mathematics 10. And this is how we are going to solve for it. What is a geometric series? The sum of an infinite number of terms that have a constant ratio between successive terms. So what is a finite geometric series? This is the formula for a finite geometric series. So we have here S sub n equals a sub 1 times the quantity of r raised to n minus 1 all over r minus 1. So let us have our example here. So we have here 5, 10, 20, 40, 80, 160, and so on and so forth. So let us have our solution. So the first thing that we have to identify here is this. What is our a sub 1? So a sub 1 here is 5. Next, we also have to identify our ratio. So ratio is equal to a sub 2 over a sub 1. So a sub 2 here is 10. A sub, a sub 1 here is 5. So 10 over 5 or 10 divided by 5 is 2. So the ratio is 2. And of course, we have to look for the n. N here is 5 because we're looking for the sum of the first 5 terms. Next, we have to have our formula. So that is S sub n is equal to a sub 1 times the quantity of r raised to n minus 1 all over r minus 1. So we have here S sub n is equal to a sub 1, that's 5, times the quantity of r, that's 2. 2 raised to n, so that's 5. 2 raised to 5 minus 1 all over r is 2 minus 1. So we have here S sub n is equal to 5 times 2 raised to 5, that is 32. Do not directly multiply 2 and 5. Okay? So this is what 2 raised to 5 means. It means 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. It is because your exponent, which is 5, is telling your base how many times are you going to multiply the base to itself, and that is 5 times. So 2 times 2 is 4, times 2, 8, times 2, 16, times 2, that's 32. Minus 1 over 2 minus 1, that's 1. Let's continue solving. S sub n is equal to 5 times 32 minus 1, that's 31, over 1. So now we have here S sub n is equal to 5 times 31. Let's multiply it. That is 155. So we have here 155 over 1. Since it is over 1, you can just simply remove the denominator, which is 1. Or if you want, just divide 155 divided by 1. So that is 155. So this is the answer. The sum of the first 5 terms of the given is 155. If you want another proof that this is correct, then look for the first 5 terms of the given. Those are 5, 10, 20, 40, and 80. And this is what you are going to do. Look, 5 plus 10, 15, right? So 15 plus 20, that's 35. Plus 40, that's 75. Plus 80, that's 155. See? Our answer is correct. Next, another example. Sum of the first 10 terms. So let's have this solution. First step, identify what is a sub 1. A sub 1 is the first term, so that's 5. Identify the ratio. Ratio is equal to a sub 2 over a sub 1. A sub 2 is the second term, so that's 10. A sub 1 is the first term, that's 5. So 10 divided by 5 is 2. So therefore, the ratio is equal to 2. N. N is the terms that we have here in the given. So that's 10. N equals 10. Now let's continue. So we have here the formula. S sub n is equal to a sub 1 times the quantity r raised to n minus 1 all over r minus 1. So we have here S sub n is equal to the value of a sub 1. So that is equal to 5 times the quantity of r, that's 2, raised to n, that's 10 minus 1 over r. So that is 2 minus 1. So we have here S sub n is equal to 5 times, what is the value of 2 raised to 10? That is 1024. So 1024 minus 1. Please don't multiply directly 2 and 10. Again, your exponent is telling your base how many times are you going to multiply the base to itself. And that is 10 times. So meaning it is, look at this one. It is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Times 2 times 2 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is how it looks like, 2 raised to 10. So that's why it is 1024 here below. Over 2 minus 1, that's 1. Let's continue solving. So we have here S sub n is equal to 5 times 1024 minus 1 is 1023 over 1. So S sub n is equal to 5 times 1023. So that is 5115 over 1. So since it is 1, you can just simply remove it. Or if you want to, then divide 5115 by 1. So that is still 5115. So this is the sum of the first 10 terms of the given. So this is it for our topic. I hope that you have learned something. If you have some clarification or inquiries about us, kindly message the Honors Tutorials page. Thank you and God bless.